Last quarter, we introduced access to a Slack integration via Zapier, which allowed users to send some UpGuard notifications to their Slack channels. Now we've moved a step ahead and you get more value from UpGuard with an in-app Slack integration, enabling you to securely get the information you need from UpGuard direct to Slack. Connecting UpGuard to your Slack workspace allows you to get the notifications you need directly into a Slack channel of your choice, giving you the flexibility to display the information you need to act promptly. Creating an integration is as easy as selecting which notifications you want to use as triggers, deciding what Slack channel to send them to, and customizing your message. Let me show you how it works. To connect my Slack account with UpGuard, I'll navigate to the Integrations tab in Settings. Then under Add Slack Integration, I'll click Connect. I'll need to allow UpGuard to access my organization's Slack workspace. Once done, I can see a confirmation message that Slack is connected to my workspace under Add Slack Integration. If I wish to change or disconnect my workspace, I can click on my organization's name or the Settings button. Now that I'm connected, I'll click on Create to begin my integration, which will send me to the integration workflow. The first thing I need to do is set the triggers. For this example, I've chosen to enable notifications when my company's score drops below 600 or when a VIP identity has been breached. Once I've selected my triggers, I'll click Confirm and Next. Step 2 is integration name and destination. I'll give this integration a name, select the channel I want to send it to, and then hit Confirm and Next. In the third step, I'll review and customize the notification messages for each trigger. I'll select the nominated trigger on the left-hand side, and as I edit the message, I'll see a preview as it will appear in my Slack channel. The fourth and final step is to enable or disable the integration. I'll select the status I want for this integration, then select Finish. Now I can see my new integration in the Integrations tab under Settings. I can enable or disable the integration from here at any time using the toggle. The Slack integration provides a seamless way to securely push information from your UpGuard account to your Slack channels for instant notifications and rapid response to security risks. This feature is now available for all UpGuard customers. If you have any questions, please ask them in the Q&A or contact support@upguard.com. Next, I'm going to demo the VIP identity breaches feature.